close in circle the spirits might droop of the 300 waiting in shadow troop, till Bagenal stepped forward with promise and pride, and swore by his honor to stand at their side. His veteran ranks from distant fields tried, how bronze were their faces, how measured their stride. They moved through the valley in disciplined line, like thunderclouds gathering by Blackwater's shine. The gleam of their harness with gold finely wrought, the roll of their columns in order well taught, with the tread of those riders in stern array, who had marched through many a distant day, and were the mere Irish in hardship and need, with little but courage and hunger to lead, half clad, half fed, with few stores at hand, to stand in the path of so great a command. Poor bonnets and wild gallow glasses and kern, let them wander the furze and the rough upland fern. Alas for their wives, for their children's cry, if they wait in the vale where the banners lie. Yet O'Neill stood firm, few and clear his commands. You have heart in your bosoms and strength in your hands. Hold fast together, let none turn away. Stand firm in the valley this day. They have gold and fine stores, they have bread in their train. Now, sons of my soul, let your courage remain. And he lifted his hand with a steadying eye. What fortune awaits us nigh? Near the chief stood O'Shanahan, eager and keen, his spirit aflame in the hush between, rough and ready to spring where honor might call, like the wolf found alert in the hall. My hand to the task, cried he with a smile, I shall not turn back from the test of the while, where clothing and bread may be fairly won. My chief, shall we not stand as one? Land of Beal-an-Atha-Buidhe, and the voices rang on. The valley resounded from dusk until dawn. The lines drew close in the gathering light, and the storm passed over that night. And brave Henry Bagenal stood firm in his place, with many a gallant of name and of grace. When silence at last on the hillside lay, their honor remained with the day. And the Irish found clothing, coin and store, provision and comfort in greater score. They shared the white manchets, the brown fresh chine, how gladly they gathered to dine. The chieftain looked on when O'Shanahan rose, and cried, Hearken O'Neill, a health I propose. To all who stood fast on that field so wide, a welcome on Beal-an-Atha-Buidhe's side.